Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for sharing and commenting. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a moisturizing black soap shampoo using only African black soap and a few hydrating ingredients. There is no herbs in this black soap shampoo. This shampoo cleanses without stripping the hair and it's perfect for dry hair, natural hair, locks, relaxed hair, and gray hair. So we started off by grating our black soap and we want 1 cup of this grated black soap to make our shampoo. So now that I'm done grating the black soap, you can see how finely it is grated, and this is what we want so that it will dissolve easily. So now I bring the container that I'll be making my shampoo in, my shampoo mixture in. Well, actually I'll be dissolving my black soap in, and I pour the black soap over into the container. And now I'll be adding warm distilled water because this is a shampoo. I will be using warm distilled water. So we'll be using 3 cups of warm distilled water inside of this shampoo, and we'll be using 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. We'll also be using 2 tablespoons of oil, my Ayurvedic hair growth oil, which if you want to see how I make this oil, I will link the video in the description box below. And then we'll also be using xanthan gum as a thickener in this shampoo. This is optional. If you do not want your shampoo to be thick, then you can leave out the xanthan gum. And we will also be using some apple cider vinegar in this shampoo. So guys, at this point I was wondering, should I put the full 3 cups of water inside there, or should I put 2.5 cups? But then I decided, you know what, let me just put the 3 cups of water inside of it. So now I am just like slightly stirring it, and I am going to set it aside for 30 minutes. Let the black soap dissolve in the water. So now that the black soap has dissolved in the water, now I am just going to strain it over, and you'll see the reason why you should strain your black soap. So I'm done straining it over now, and you will see all of the particles that is left in the strainer. So if we didn't strain our black soap, our dissolved black soap, this would have been in our shampoo, and then this would have also been in our hair. So guys, now I'll be adding my 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar inside of our mixture, and we will gently stir this shampoo. We won't be blending it, because by us gently stirring it, it keeps the shampoo mild and it will be less harsh, whereas if we blend it, it will be more harsh. So after I finish putting my apple cider vinegar, now I am going to add my oils. And this in the bottle that I have here is my Ayurvedic hair growth oil. If you want to see how I make this Ayurvedic hair growth oil, I will link the video in the description box below. You can check it out. So we'll be adding 3 tablespoons of oil inside of our shampoo, and then we're giving it a stir again, and you can see that already the soapiness is coming through in our shampoo. So now that we finished stirring it, we're gonna set this mixture aside, and you can see how watery our shampoo is looking. So this is not the consistency that I want. So now what I have here is 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and I am going to add my vegetable glycerin inside of it, and I am going to mix it, and this will be the thickener for our shampoo. So 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and I'll be using 3 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin in total, but I'm just adding in 1 tablespoon at a time while I'm dissolving the xanthan gum inside of the vegetable glycerin. And you really, really want to dissolve your vegetable glycerin. Sorry, you really want to dissolve your xanthan gum because you do not want any chunky pieces in your shampoo. So we add the vegetable glycerin and the apple cider vinegar inside of our shampoo. These ingredients will help to prevent dryness, and it will leave our hair feeling soft and shiny. Vegetable glycerin is a natural humectant, meaning that it draws moisture from the air and it draws it into our hair. And it's winter time, so our hair needs all of the moisture that it can get. So you can see this is the consistency that I am looking for my xanthan gum and my vegetable glycerin mix. And now I am bringing back my black soap mixture. And you can see the oil is sitting on top of the water because oil and water naturally it does not mix. So I'm going in with my first tablespoon of xanthan gum, and then this is the second one, which is my thickener, and this is the third one I'm going in with, and then I'll just pour in the rest of the thickener inside. So I am slowly putting it in there and I am mixing it as I go, while I'm stirring it continuously to avoid any clumps. And you can see that our shampoo is looking thicker than it was before compared to what it was looking like before. So guys, now our shampoo is ready. So I am going to show you. Look at this. I pour some of the shampoo out in my hand, and you can see the ladder that this shampoo is have here going on. Like, I did not wet my hands. This is just the shampoo in my hand, and then I'm just rubbing it together and it already formed a ladder. So now that our shampoo is all cooled down and everything, I just add in my preservative, because we need preservative in our shampoo if we want it to last longer. And this is a water-based product, so bacteria, mold, and everything is going to be built up inside of it if we do not preserve it properly. So now that our shampoo is done, I'm just pouring it over back inside of this container, so that way it will be easier for me to bottle it. And you're gonna store this shampoo in a cool place. So now I'm going to add my essential oils, which I was I was supposed to add it before I put it over into this jar, but I forget to add it. So I add 7 drops of lavender essential oil and 7 drops of my tea tree essential oil. So now I'm just pouring it over into the jar that I want to keep my shampoo in, and you're going to apply this shampoo to wet hair, and you're going to massage it onto the scalp and rinse well. And after that, we'll follow up with a moisturizing conditioner or a deep conditioner. So now that this bottle of shampoo is full, I am going to pour the rest of the bottle inside of this. Sorry, I'm going to pour the rest of the shampoo inside of this other bottle. And I forget how many ounces these are because, as you can see, I'm reusing bottles again. I always recycle my bottles and I forget how many ounces these bottles are. But this is the amount that I get from the 3 cups of water, 1 cup of black soap, African black soap, vegetable glycerin, and my apple cider vinegar. This is the amount of shampoo that I get. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer herbal shampoo or simple shampoo like this one? So also guys, I'll be showing you a clip of me using this shampoo in my daughter's hair because this shampoo can be used on sensitive scalp as well as children. So this is my daughter and this is the shampoo and it's wash day. So of course we're using the shampoo in her hair. And guys, her hair is really, really dirty because it's the holiday season and we were going out to places and I was putting gels in her hair. I was putting butter in her hair, oils in her hair, and yeah, we haven't washed her hair for 3 weeks. This is the third week that I'm washing her hair on. So her hair is really, really, really dirty at this point. So that's the reason why the ladder is not coming through as much as it should for this first wash. But I'm gonna rinse this one out and then I'm gonna shampoo her hair again so that way you'll see the proper I'm lacking the word that I should use. You'll see how much this is gonna lather after we rinse out her hair and lather it up again. So this DIY black soap shampoo is a simple moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo and it's made without herbs. It's perfect for dry hair, natural hair, relaxed hair, locks, kids hair, and gray hair. The benefit the benefits of this shampoo, it gently cleanses without stripping the hair. It adds moisture and softness to the hair. It helps to reduce dryness and breakage. It's a beginner friendly recipe. So try it and tell me how your hair feels. So now that I'm done rinsing out my daughter's hair, I am going to shampoo her hair again the second time, and you see her hair is lathering much better now than it did the very first time when I used the shampoo in her hair. So this is the result of our DIY black soap shampoo. Guys, I hope you try this recipe, and please, if you do try it, let me know in the comment section how you find it, if it was easy to make or anything like that. So now that I'm done with lathering up her hair, and this is the final result, this is the look. Her hair is clean and ready for deep condition. I'll see you in the next one.